Moving on to anti-aging skincare. Why does our skin age with time? The collagen and elastin fiber break, thicken, stiffen, clump together, and lose their elasticity over time. This results in wrinkles and aging lines. Finally, in our 50s, the skin becomes dry and is easily bruised, damaged, or broken because of the sebaceous glands decreasing in size. What are the signs of aging? How can we figure out if we are really aging? With aging, the outer skin becomes thin, even, though the number of cell layers remain unchanged. The number of pigment-containing cells, melanocytes, decrease. The remaining melanocytes increase in size. Aging skin looks thinner, paler, and clearer, more translucent. How to combat and slow down aging of skin? First of all, use your brain. Every now and then, learn a new skill. Try your hand at something new. Learn new languages. Be social, give back to the community. Exercise more. Brisk walk daily is a great form of exercise. Increase your intake of antioxidants, raw foods, fruits and veggies. Eat less. Try to incorporate 60% raw foods in your diet. Eat till you're 80% full. Avoid toxins, so no smoking, no drinking, and no white poison in your diet. Ample hydration, minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Anti-aging tea blend is a mix of flower petals, rose, hibiscus, lavender, chamomile, flower tea blend. Anti-aging skincare, I'll give you 5 tips. Use gentle sulfate-free cleansers on the face and body. Use floral waters on the face as toners. Use an oil-based face serum daily at night. Exfoliate with lentils and nut powders regularly. Drink aloe vera juice daily.